Well, welcome back to Shotlet Family Firewood. It is the night before the big blizzard. I just chained up the skid loader. Just put the chains on the skid loader because I've plowed snow a couple times this week and it hasn't gone. I mean, it's gone fine, but with a snowpack and a skid loader, if you've ever done it, need more traction. And then I got an order this week. They want a truckload, roughly a third of a cord, of shorts. They got a small wood stove and want 12 to 14. I'm not going to promise 12 to 14. This basket up here is started of shorts. And this is all that dead oak. I've tested it. It's at 20, maybe 21. So we're going to give them that. And it's supposed to get real nasty blizzard-like conditions tomorrow, Saturday. Tomorrow is Friday and Saturday. And then the temperature is supposed to just plummet. We're talking like by Monday morning, -11 with a wind chill of -30. So what I might do, or might have to do at least some of, is cut down some of the stuff in this basket. I really don't want to do that, but I can burn the short stuff so for heat for myself, so that's okay. It's just a little extra work. What I'd really like to do is go out to my boiler bin and just grab a bunch of shorts and split them up. So I plan after the blizzard, maybe on Sunday, even if it's real cold, I can take the skid loader down, at least fill the bucket with some shorts out of the boiler bin, and bring them up here and split them up. Again, aiming for all that dead standing oak, just because I know it might not be quite ready, but it's really close. And these people understand that this is custom order. I told them I'd get it as close to ready as I possibly can. So they'll deal with that this year, and then hopefully if they like it, then next year they'll get it early, and it'll be able to get them some that's really ready. So anyway, that's the understanding we have, and they liked my price, and so we're gonna do it. So anyway, calm before the storm outside right now. Again, we've had, well, I don't know, probably 8 inches of snow here in the last couple days. Wet, heavy stuff. It's melted some during the day. I don't know if you can tell, but the boiler is over there chugging away. I just loaded that up, so anyway, we'll see what the weather brings this weekend. We are in the middle of the blizzard of 2024, or so they call it. I just made it home from work a little bit ago. I came home at the right time, I think. Don't know if you can tell, but it's snowing pretty good right now. They claim the temperature is going to drop, and the snow is going to intensify, and the wind is going to really pick up. So first things first, we're going to get this first layer of snow plowed off the driveway. I got the chains on the skid loader, and all I have to plow with is the bucket. So we're going to skid loader fired up and let it warm up for a minute or two, and then we'll plow some snow.
ready. No, we're good. I still hold 3. When I got this morning, there was another 3 here, 4 on my left. I got a little last here. I didn't follow this morning. Anyway, it's not going to be fine. Clean up by any means. Just trying to get open. I have a couple anyway. Right out, so.
Well, we plowed and then we snow blowed a path to the boiler. It is snowing pretty darn good right now. Shit, there might be another 2 inches of snow on the ground already. So it's snowing. Ain't the end of the world, but we got the tractor plugged in case we need it later. We'll plug the skid loader in later tonight maybe, because that's warm now, so we'll be all right for a while on that. And the truck inside because I'm on call for work in case I got to through this stuff. And we're gonna find a shovel, clean out around the shed door, and we're gonna get shut up and get inside and wait this thing out for as long as we can anyway. Alright guys, I got shoveled out and shoveled out the shed door, and I snow blowed around the boiler, and now we gotta plow through some drifts here, and then I gotta shovel out the garage doors yet. So I'm gonna take it easy getting started here. I just got this skid loader fired up. We're gonna try and get to the garage doors, get those shoveled out. I want to make a path off across them and then get them shoveled out, and then we'll get cleaning up. truck says negative 13. I think it was colder than that when I got up this morning. The wind has died down quite a bit, but it's downright miserable outside. And we got a family Christmas later today, so I don't know that I'm gonna get a whole lot of firewood done. I do have a project I'm working on, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to show it. The boiler over there is chugging along. I don't know, I've mentioned my house. I'm sitting here waiting for the windows to defrost in my truck, but the house is an old farmhouse with no insulation, and so the wind is a major issue. And last night in the strong winds, we really burned through some wood. Typically easily get 12 hours every time I throw a wheelbarrow full in, and last night I think I loaded it at 10, and by 6 o'clock this morning I had burned it all up to pretty much to coals. So hopefully the wind dies down. That'll be better. Even with the cold, then I can go through less, but the wind just kills it. So anyway, we plowed roughly 18 inches of snow here in the last week. This last storm brought 10 to 12. Kind of hard to tell with the drifting, but I ended up with about a 4.5 foot drift in front of my shed that I had to shovel out before I could open the shed door. And had a heck of a pile of snow over on that side of the driveway. And I didn't hardly even plow out the wood yard. With it being this cold for the next week, I'm not even worried about doing anything out there. So, but anyway, we'll come back if I get some time this afternoon. Hopefully I can show you the project that I'm working on, but maybe after the boys go to bed. So hope everybody's staying warm and gets dug out from the blizzard that came across, and we'll see you next time.